jamendo.com.
Hello and welcome back to the crib. The big snow has come to town. It do be crazy out here. And the same thing happened exactly a year ago. I think the university was shut down for like 2 weeks straight. There was no lectures, nothing. And the same thing is happening right now again. The uni was shut down yesterday and today. Because look at this, like how do you want to get from A to B at this point? But we're in Flagstaff, Arizona, so it kind of happens every winter. So right now my lectures are either on Zoom or just not happening at all. Also, what's poppin', what's new in Flagstaff? This semester I'm part of 2 clubs. The I Club, which is the international club. It's basically like an association for international students or everyone who's interested in global stuff, and they organize cultural events, very cheesy, like Japanese cooking nights or I don't know. But this semester is my first time joining. It's very good vibes. It's good vibes. Like, international people are always fun. And then I've been part of the ProSale Club, which is the professional sales club. It is not specifically business or sales related. It's for every student. They work a lot on career, professionalism, a lot of guest speakers who are working in specific industries, just to get a better insight into the work life and to prepare for your future. I know it's very nerdy. I'm such a nerd for doing that. Besides that, what's new, what's popping? I went on a date. About 2 weeks ago, so it's been a while. We've been hanging out in the meantime. It's actually going pretty well. It actually feels like a relationship, just without the official title of a relationship, which isn't good, because I should just be single. Like, the past years have proven me that I'm just the best version of myself when I'm single. I don't know, and my happiness is not dependent on a man. I really was not actively looking at all. It's funny, because I met this man, like, last year, I think last April, when I was at a very awful house party. I think he started talking to me. That was right before I left the US, so I told him, like, sorry, I'll be gone for a while. I fully forgot him in the meantime. Like, I'm not kidding, I did not even think about him at all. But now that I came back to Arizona, we started texting again and we hung out. I don't want to spill too much tea yet. If it gets more exciting, you guys will probably know at some point. My love life has been the biggest roller coaster for the past years, because I've been moving around too much. In the past 5 years, I've been in 3 relationships, and all of them ended out of the same reason, because I was moving away. At this point, I know myself. Like, I just suck at long distance. Like, I'm not able to do phone calls every day. At this point, I just accepted that right now is not a good time to be in a relationship, and that's okay. And I've put my focus on so many other things in life, and I'm really not missing anything by being single. I actually feel like I've become so cold when it comes to men, just out of self-protection. I'm not letting things close to me anymore. I'm actually wondering how I will ever be able to be in a marriage. What I'm trying to say is, this is one of the sacrifices you really make when you move away from home. Love life is just never easy when you move away from home. And I'm confused by my own feelings at this point. I know it's getting way more common to be in long distance relationships because many people nowadays are moving to other countries. But then I also look at people back home, like old friends from my hometown, and a lot of them have been in relationships for, I don't know, 5-6 years. And when I talk to them, they actually feel regrets. They feel regrets for staying with the same person for too long in that young age. They regret never going abroad because they were in a relationship. Then I look at myself and I'm like, my life has been a mess. But I think I'm glad for what I did, because at least I never made myself dependent on a man in that young age.
Alright, we are recording. Hello, hello. Welcome to another vlog. Who am I? I'm quite a lot of things, you know?
Yo, you're right.
What the fuck are you doing? What?
He goes, Daddy. Come on! Fucking run! Let's run!
I'll just gone out on it.
Hi, JoJo's vlog. Subscribe right now down below. Hi, we're going to Collins right now. We're going to Collins right now.
This kitchen is the best vlogging material. Look at this! Like, this is your average, like, Flagstaff college student crib. There's like 2 million snowboards. I don't know who the fuck is all snowboarding here, but it's too many people. I never realized there's a Barbie poster. Oh, and they're growing their own wheat right here. It's looking good. It's growing well. Like, damn.
What are you doing in my house, you German?
The Germans like to invade the houses. That's amazing. Like, I would love to live here. Like, oh my god, look at the views. Like,